children. In my last video I explained to you how to convert the given units in measurement of length. Mainly I told about that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now here estimates how you will do the estimation in measurement of length. Now in the first video I have shown you the ruler or the scale, and I have explained to you that now you look to this scale. Here you can find from this point to this point is 1 centimeter. Is it visible to you clearly? From this 0 to this 1, is it visible to you? 0 to 1, this is 10 millimeter, and from here to here this is 1 centimeter. So just you try to see how small are these millimeter. From one small point to 1, this much only is 1 millimeter. That means, so you have to choose this unit where the length will be of this much. There you have to choose the unit millimeter. But look to centimeter. Centimeter is from 0 to 1. This is 1 centimeter. 1 to 2. This is another centimeter. So this scale is totally 15 centimeter. So suppose you want to measure in terms of centimeter, then where you will use centimeter? Just you think here to here, 0 to 1. Look carefully, 0 to 1. This is 1 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Is it visible to you clearly? 0. Then 0 to this only first point is only 1 millimeter. Okay. Now look to this. This is the measuring tape which is used by the tailor to take the measurement. And look to this measuring tape. Here you can find in the measuring tape same the centimeter and meter you can find here. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, okay, 3 like this. And if we will take up to 100 centimeter, then that will be called as the 1 meter. So approximately if it comes up to this, now you look to this much length will be termed as 1 meter. So now if you will mark this much length, then that will be termed as the 1 meter. Look in the blackboard, let me mark this length. Okay, so here 1 point will mark, in 100 will mark 1 here, so and here will mark. So the distance between this is 1 meter. That means wherever the distance is coming in between this is 1 centimeter to 100 centimeter. There you can take the unit to measure. Your estimation will be in centimeter. But wherever you find that the measurement is more than this, there you have to use the unit meter. Okay, that means this is 1 meter. Suppose now I ask you to measure the length of this blackboard. So which unit you will use? Whether millimeter or centimeter or meter. So here, in order to measure this, we will take the help of the meter. The convenient unit to measure the length of the blackboard is meter. Now let us see. Here, if we take like this and we found up to this, it is 1 meter. Then again from here, it is coming approximately 1 meter and again 84 centimeter. So here we can write 1.84 meter is the length of this blackboard. So here the meter, convenient unit is meter. Clear? You can take also centimeter, but the measurement will be 184 centimeter. You might have seen in your progress report, your height is written as like this, 107 centimeter. It means what? Your height is 1 meter and 0.7 centimeter. Clear? So these are the units. Where you will take millimeter, where to take centimeter, where to take meter, then where to use the kilometer. Kilometer, where you will use the distance which will be more than the meter. Okay, and you know that 1 meter is equal to, look, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so longer distance can be taken, will be used by taking kilometer as the unit. Now coming to two terms while you will use, they are, one is taller or longer or shorter. That terms, see, while you are measuring with taller or shorter or longer, these all are the relative terms. Suppose when you are comparing between this scale and this chalk, you can say this scale is longer than this chalk. This scale is longer than this chalk. But if you will compare this scale with this length of this book or height of the book, now the scale became shorter and the book became taller or the longer. So the book is longer, the height or the length of the book is longer than that of the scale. Clear? So when you are comparing between the two things, which one is longer, which one is shorter. Now suppose I will ask to you the length of the blackboard and the length of the classroom. If you are comparing between these two, you can say that the blackboard is shorter than that of the length of the classroom. The length of your book is shorter than the length of your desk. So you will use these words taller, shorter, longer. So where you will use taller and where you will use longer. Taller means where we are taking the height. Suppose here you see this is a electric pole and here is a small tree. When you are comparing between these two, then you can say electric pole is taller than this small tree. Now you compare between, suppose this electric pole will be compared with a coconut tree. So now this coconut tree is taller than this electric pole. So when you are taking the height, Okay, there you can use the word taller. But suppose when you are taking the like this is a piece, and here you can take a piece and you take the example of ant. An ant. So the length here, the length of the ant and the piece, if we compare, then you can say this piece is longer. Here you can use longer than this ant. Is it clear to you? You compare between the hand and the length of the hand and the length of your finger. So you can say that the hand is longer than the finger. Now coming to the, see, I have already told to you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Have you remembered this 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and how it came? Yesterday I had explained to you. Now suppose I ask here few questions. Suppose 20 centimeter plus dash is equal to 1 meter. That means what I will add in 20 centimeter to get 1 meter. So what you have to do here? What you will write here? First you think 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter. What I will add in 20 centimeter in order to get 100 centimeter? So what you have to do? You have to subtract. Like suppose I ask 3 plus dash is equal to 5. Then immediately what you are doing? From 5 you are subtracting 3, you are getting 2. So you are telling that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The same way, first you write 1 meter or 100 centimeter, and from that 100 you subtract this 20. Subtracting 20 centimeter. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. That is why before this lesson I had explained to you how to do the subtraction with borrowing and without borrowing. So 0 subtracted from 0, 0. Now 2 cannot be subtracted from this 0. You will borrow from this 100 place. If you borrow, here it will remain 0. And here it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 80. So you got 80 centimeter. That means 20 centimeter plus 80 centimeter is equal to 1 meter or 100 centimeter. The same way, another question, dash centimeter plus 55 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter, you can write 1 meter as 100 centimeter. From that what you will subtract? 55. So subtract 55. Can 5 be subtracted from 0? No. You try to borrow from the tens place. You cannot borrow anything as 0 is here. So try to borrow from the 100 place. Here 1 is there. So if you will borrow, here it will be 0. So what will come to this? 10 tens, because 100 means 10 tens. So here it will become 10. From that 10, you bring 1 10 to this side. So this will become 10. And from this 10, if you are borrowing 1 10 to the ones place, here it will remain 9. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. So you got 45 centimeter. In this way, you will find what I will add in this in order to get the 1 meter. So for this much, and now I will give you few questions so that you can do easily. As so before going to do that questions, you have to learn from this video. You have to see this video, try to understand how to convert the centimeter, how to convert the meter into centimeter or kilometer into meter, then what we will add in centimeter in order to get the meter. All these things first you will see properly, you try to understand, then you do the worksheet that I am going to send it now. Clear? Okay, thank you.